new things from junk and they almost look like the real thing. I turn all beans into gold, that's my thing. And if it leans a little, well, that's my style. Are you smart? Welcome, welcome to Cheapy Joe's workshop. We hammer, we screw, and sometimes it fails, but we laugh, we sing, and we never stress. With Big Louie here, it's chaos but friendly. I'm the assistant, the chatterbox, and the coffee tester. I give advice you probably shouldn't follow unless you like disasters. Cheapy Joe says be careful with the electric wood burner, but I still get burned. It's my trademark, smells like a campfire all day long. Welcome, welcome to Cheapy Joe's workshop. We hammer, we screw, and sometimes it breaks, but we laugh, we sing, and we'll never stress. If it breaks, we call it Extreme Express. So if you like to tinker, to laugh and create, hit that subscribe, don't you hesitate. At Cheapy Joe's workshop, we're waiting for you. And if you don't, Big Louie will find you on his tractor. That's true.